How to change the cabin air filter on a 5th gen Ram 2500. On passenger side of the truck, open the glove box. Next, you need to remove the string that causes the slow open for the glove box. Should just slide right back, pull straight out, and then it'll go back. You'll be able to retrieve that later easy enough. Next, you will need to remove the glove box. There are 3 hinges along the back side of the glove box holding it into place. Pull straight back. Once you have the glove box removed, you can see the holder for the cabin air filter. There are 2 latches on each side. One here and one over here. Press in on the latch to remove the cover. Note the airflow direction on the cabin air filter. On this one, it points down. Remove and dispose of the filter. Here is the MOPAR part number for this air filter. I will also put this in the description of the video. The replacement filter I used is from Doc's Diesel. I'll include a link in the description of the video. Note the airflow direction on the new filter. Make sure to install it in the same orientation as the old filter. Replace the cover. It will just click into place. Note where your retraction string is so you can fish it out once you put the glove box back into place. When putting the glove box back in, note the stop, angle into place, locate the hinges, and click into place. Once back into place, grab the retraction string and click back into the side of the glove box. Your cabin air filter has now been replaced. Thank you for watching my video on how to replace the cabin air filter on a 5th gen Ram 2500.